So these crunchy delicious fritters are one of my favorites, especially in this monsoon season. These are just crunchy, crispy and savory Indian snacks which are made from soaked split Bengal gram and some onions, fresh herbs, and not to forget my delicious homemade chutney that goes best with this recipe. I have shared many versions of this fritters earlier, and this is the easiest and tastiest one you can get. So do try this recipe this monsoon season or just in a random tea time snack, and you will be in love with the flavors. Just dip this in this delicious chutney made with fresh tomatoes, garlic and ginger. Do try this and you will be in love with the recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button, and thank you all for loving my channel so much and like my videos. So let's begin with this recipe. So for this recipe I have taken here soaked chana dal or split Bengal gram. I have taken around 1 cup and soaked for around 2 to 3 hours. So I will be taking around 90% here and 10% I will just leave this much so that I can use it in a different way. To this I will be first adding some crushed garlic. So here I have crushed this garlic roughly. We don't need very fine crushed garlic, and the best part is we need it with the skin. And to this I will be adding some cumin seeds, half inch of ginger, 1 green chilli. You can alter it according to your taste, and here some garlic with skin I have added for the extra crunch and texture, some curry leaves, and now I will blend it to a very fine paste, and the remaining amount 10% I'll just semi crush it, semi blend it with 1 dry red chili. That's it. So this will actually give a very nice crunch and texture to our pakodis or vada, and this is the garlic that I had crushed it. This goes as a whole, and some I'll keep it to just fry and garnish it for the extra flavor. Some curry leaves, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and to this I'll be adding some besan, around 4 tablespoons so that it binds nicely, and salt I will be adding as per taste, and 1 large onion I will be adding thinly sliced. So basically the garlic and this chana dal I am using in 2 to 3 ways to give a very nice texture and taste to our fritters. Nicely I will mix them. It's very easy. I have taken some soaked chana dal and added some semi crushed or semi blended chana dal, all the spices, and it's ready. To fry these fritters I will take cooking oil and heat it nicely. Once this oil is heated, in a strainer I will add the remaining crushed garlic. 2 to 3 garlic pods are left out, some few curry leaves and red chili I have slitted. This I will nicely fry in the oil. Frying in this strainer helps to do the work much easier. I will just keep it aside, and in the same oil I will reduce the temperature to medium and start adding these fritters in this way, in a round way, so that each fritter nicely gets coated with some oil. Do not overcrowd the oil at this stage, and it will take just 3 to 4 minutes. One tip for the perfect crunch is that do not touch these fritters until the bubbles settle down. Once it settles down, the flame is already medium, the oil was nice hot, then we added and reduced the flame to medium. At this stage just give it a mix and increase the flame so that it now turns golden brown. So these small tricks makes your fritters really crunchy and tasty. So it's done, first batch. You can just hear the crunch. In the same way I'll again reheat the oil, and once this oil is nicely heated I'll add the fritters and reduce the flame to medium so that it's nicely get cooked from inside. And once the bubble settles down, I'll use a spatula to just overturn it and fry them till they turn golden brown. These small tricks, do use them and your result will be as perfect as this video. Do try this delicious recipe of chana dal fritters. As I said, vegan, protein packed, tasty, and you do indeed need to try this with this awesome rainy season. And this is the result. As I said, perfectly crunchy and crispy, and these have not soaked some extra oil. It's perfectly done, and I have served with a delicious homemade chutney. I have taken 1 tomato, little bit amount of ginger, garlic, green chili, and 1 full lemon with some black salt. I have nicely blended it, and this delicious chutney with this fritters is ready. And do not forget to add the fried garlic and curry leaves and red chili. This gives a very nice taste. You can enjoy this fried garlic with this fritters, and believe me, it just tastes wow. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you have loved this recipe, do give a thumbs up, do share with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.